Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block IP addresses from Cpanel. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, open your browser and log into Cpanel by using your username and password. So let me log in. After logging in, you can see an interface like this, and here in the first row you can see the option of block visitors under the CDN section. Click there, and here you can block visitors by country or by IP address. So we are going to use IP address. Here in this field you have to enter the IP address that you want to block. So for now I'm going to enter my own IP address and I will show you how it works exactly. So here is my domain, and it's accessible from current IP address. Now I'm going to block my IP address. So first of all, let me search for my IP address, and here is my IP address 27.34.31.221. So let me copy this and I will add this IP address here. Now click on block IP and it is in the blocked IP address. As you can see here, we get the information forbidden. We don't have permission to access this resource. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.